Would also work, just plug and play without removing these edges. Now, taking off the cylinder. It hits here. The frame, so you just twist it and then you can pull it off. Push down the piston with the flywheel and there we go. And voila. And what do we see? Not so tight here. That's normal. It always leaks. Black, 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 black. As usual, it has, of course, a gearbox oil sucker. All of That's the original 125 engine case with the small ports on the side, 3 ports. We do now have the 177 bottom gasket. Just use 2 bolts, cylinder bolts to center it. And this is how it looks. And now take a marker and mark what has to be removed. It is quite some material. Nevertheless, it would also work, just plug and play without removing these edges. But come on, why having such a nice cylinder and not removing these few edges here? We have to take care in this corner. The material is very thin, so just round the edge here. Don't go too deep here, because on the other side, outside here, it will break through. This is so thin. Piaggio saved every cent of the cost material of this engine case. We don't want to break through. We put a lot of sticky tape in there. And now we're gonna gently remove all the edges we want to remove. Yeah, that's better. Boost port. You see it. That's good. 5 parts with a small Yeah, here's enough meat. It's so thin from the inside here that there it is a little bit thicker here, but there's nothing. So if we would open this would be a 10mm hole. We're not gonna do that. I'm not putting cold metal here with that oily engine case. Not possible to heat it up properly, that it sweated out. So we just round this edge and take a little bit more here. Not much more possible. That's a little bit. It's ridiculous how thin it is here. Nope, that was it. Unbelievable. Why? These few cents of cast iron material. That's all we can do. Not more possible. Ay, ay, ay. What a mess, huh? Now same game as before. We just used the compressed air gun. And we gently blow away all the stuff. There we go. Everything's fine. A little bit adjusted to the bigger ports. Better than nothing. Yeah, what you see here, I used a 5L holder on the other side that the control does not move too much. And what you then do is you just use brake cleaner and flush it through a bit, that all the dust comes out, and you're good. The final check with the gasket. How does it look like? Better. Boost port is open. This side is open. We can't open this side, but at least at the bottom a bit. That's fine.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?
The second thing you need is a fuel hose that is not too short, not too long, and that cannot buckle. Oh, look at this. It doesn't buckle. There's still enough area that the fuel can flow. The only connection from the fuel chamber to the main stock holder is this drill. It is exactly below the main jet, so the whole fuel goes through this board. You have to make sure that this drill is at least 2.5 millimeter. In an original carburetor it is only 1.5, and that is way too small. So this remains a bottleneck and the carb does not get enough fuel. This means he is never settable. You can do whatever you want, you can make the jet bigger and bigger, but it won't help because the carburetor does not get enough fuel. And now we are... That was it. Yes, to use compressed air. Blow all the channels. Not only blow the channels, block the other end, because there are often more. Choke jet. Just one jet, one piece. This is the idle jet. We see that it has also a little air corrector, little mixer tube, little main jet, but it is also in one piece. And that's the main stock holder. We have the air corrector, we have the mixer tube, and the main jet. You can disassemble it. Air corrector, mixer tube, main jet.